Hello and welcome to Broadway at the Beach. And now that I'm walking past a very loud speaker, I will try to talk without interruption. There it is, the old movie theater, the old mini golf, and the old pavilion park. All gone. No debris. Well, I don't want to say no debris. There's a little bit of a debris left, but most of it is gone, and we're just looking at dirt at this point. Now we know that there's a restaurant slash lounge slash thing called The Hangout coming to this location, which is supposed to have food and activities very similar to the Lulu's model that they have at Barefoot Landing, from what I can tell. But no progress when it comes to construction or vertical construction, anything like that. It's still just a debris field and dirt field. So, not much to report on, but it has been a while since I've been here. And I know people who don't live in the area don't get to drive by here very often, so I just want to give you guys an update, let you know what's going on. I'm super curious if they're going to leave this boat here or reuse it for something. I hope they do. I think that would be kind of cool if they refurbed the boat, did something with it. I don't know. Kind of like a homage to the Dragon's Lair. So it looks like when this is all completed, we'll have an actual walkway that runs from the Simpsons 4D attraction here through what was the movie theater by the Hampton Inn and over to Margaritaville. So that will create or recreate a total loop around Lake Broadway. There's the Paula Deen restaurant over there. And that was a very loud speaker. All right, everybody. Until next time, if you can even hear me, take it easy.